Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever captured the perfect video only to realize it's ruined by the unwanted people or objects in the background? Introducing Filmora 14, cutting-edge AI video object removal, the ultimate solution to make your video flawless. Remove unwanted elements like people, logos, watermarks, text. With just a few brush strokes, Filmora's AI will intelligently detect and remove unwanted elements from your video. Whether it's a passing stranger, an accidental photobomber, or even a watermark, Filmora has you covered. Say goodbye to distractions and hello to clean, professional-grade videos no matter the settings. Here is how it works. But before we jump into the Filmora itself, I just want to introduce you to this 30% off Black Friday deal. Okay, it's now available on Filmora. I'll be leaving the link inside the description of this video for you to check it out. Okay, so now let's go back to our video. Okay, so first we have to import video into the Filmora and drag into our timeline. Okay, so in this particular occasion, I'm gonna be using this particular video. All right. So we have to select the clip, and before we do choose the object removal, okay, I just want to make sure that this clip is not so long because it does not require way too long to show you this functionality, right? So on the toolbar, you're gonna see this particular object remover icon here, okay? So now let's go click on it. Right, here you go. Now it's another working area has been opened. So now for this purposes of removing the object, what we have to do, we just have to adjust the brush size and the paint over the unwanted objects. Okay, so let's say that we want to remove this particular part. Okay, that's all what we want to do it. All right, so now let's go remove. All right, fast, easy, seamless. Okay, look at this, how quickly it was actually done. Filmora's AI object removal has completely changed the way I edit. To be honest with you, I can remove unwanted people or logos in seconds, savings hours of work. Okay, we just have to wait for this to log, because it's currently working on this removed object, and now it's ready. So let's go and watch it. There you go. You see, this particular object completely disappeared from our video. It was replaced by the background. I think that's quite amazing. Okay, so Filmora even handles the moving object with ease. Okay, intelligently filling the gaps to maintain video quality and visual appeal. Like you said, in this particular occasion, okay, there was an object, and it was replaced by the background. Okay, so whether you're a blogger, influencer, filmmaker, or marketer, Filmora's AI video object removal simplifies your workflow, saving time and effort while delivering professional results. Okay. So try Filmora 14 today and experience the power of AI-driven video editing. I'll go back to this 30% Black Friday deal, all right? And then clean up your footage, enhance its quality, and share your story like never before, okay? So download Filmora 14 now and explore the AI video object remover for free. Guys, I'll be leaving the link once again inside the description of this video, and thank you very much for watching. Any comments, leave it down below, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.